Hi friends, Namaste and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. In today's CSS video, we are going to learn to give various awesome image hover effects by using CSS only as our CSS project. For better user experience, it's a good idea to give some stylish hover effects for our images of our website. So in this video, we will learn some various types of image hover effects that can be applied in any images thumbnails of our websites. But before we start, if you are new to our YouTube channel and still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new session videos. Now, not being late, let's begin our today's session. On start, let's create some div containers with some images. After HTML, let's give some CSS properties for better display. Here I use CSS Flexbox for align our images. If you want to know more detail about CSS Flexbox, you can check our previous session videos about CSS Flexbox. And for your easier, I added the link of that video on this video's description as well as in the I button. Here, up to now, we have 3 images in our web page, and there is no any hover effects we applied on it. And first, let's give zoom in effect for our image hover state. Image hover effect 1, zoom in. For this, let's copy our image div blocks and change its title to zoom in effect. After then, let's give CSS properties for giving zoom in effect for zoom in class images hover state. Now we can see the zoom in effects for our zoom in class images. Whenever we hover our mouse on these images, we can see the stylish zooming effect on our images. Similarly, let's copy the image div blocks for zoom out effect. Image hover effect 2, zoom out. And for giving zoom out effect, we can just reverse our zoom in CSS effects as now we can see that on our next image block of class zoom out, we can see the zoom out effect while we hover mouse on the images. Similarly, let's move to another image hover effect sliding. Image hover effect 3, slide. For this, let's add HTML and CSS codes for it. Image hover effect for rotate. Image hover effect 5 blur. Image hover effect 6 grayscale. Here we can see the various simple transformation effects used for our image hover effect. Along with this, we can also use some animated effects for image hover. Let's have some more image hover effects using CSS animations. Image hover effect 7 circle effect. For this too, let's copy our image blocks. After that, let's define its CSS properties as well as CSS keyframe animations. Here we can see the growing white transparent circle appears when we hover our mouse on this circle crosses images. For the animation, we use the CSS keyframe. If you want to learn more about this CSS keyframes animation, you can check our previous session videos about this CSS animation. The video link of that session video can be found in this video's description, as well as you can find it on the I button. Similarly, let's take another awesome signing effect. Image hover effect 8 sign effect. Wow, look at the signing effect. How awesome effect on our images while we hover our mouse on it. These are some few examples for image hover effect just by using CSS properties. You can design more one stylish hover effects using the various transformation and animation effects of your own CSS skill. Nowadays, CSS3 has a much power of styles that you can give various attractive design effects on your web UI. If you have any issues or any problems on web design or development, you can feel free to contact us through our comment box. I feel happy to assist you to solve your issues. That's all for today. We will come back soon with more interesting videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.